Hello everyone, this is Attorney Yasin Akan. Today I'll continue to answer frequently asked questions about green card, meaning adjustment of status applications. So you obtained your green card through asylum. When can you apply for US citizenship? Here's the deal. When your green card is approved, the residence since date on your card is actually backdated to 1 year before your green card was approved. This means that while most people need to wait 5 years from their green card approval to apply for citizenship, for you, it's effectively 4 years from the date of your green card was approved. Let me give you a quick example. Let's say your green card was approved on December 1st, 2024. On your card, the residence since date will be December 1st, 2023. So you'll be eligible to apply for citizenship at the end of 2028, assuming you meet all other requirements. A US citizen sibling wants to sponsor a green card for their 24-year-old sibling living in the US. Is it possible? Yes, a sibling can file a petition for a sibling, but it is subject to the visa bulletin. The current waiting time is about 15-16 years. Unfortunately, this waiting period does not allow your sibling to stay in the US during this time. The person who asked the question also mentioned that their parents are green card holders. They can apply for their unmarried children over 21 years old, but this too is subject to the visa bulletin. It could take years and it won't allow your sibling to remain in the United States during this period. You're applying for a green card, adjustment of status through your US citizen spouse, but you worked without authorization. Should you hide that you worked illegally from immigration? The answer is no. You cannot withhold this information. USCIS values honesty and accuracy. If you worked without authorization, you must disclose it. Hiding this information could lead to your application being denied and may put your future applications at risk. The good news is that unauthorized employment by the spouse of a US citizen should be forgiven during the adjustment of status process. Big news for green card applicants. USCIS announced that starting April 4, 2024, your Form I-693, the medical exam form, no longer has an expiration date if it was signed by a civil surgeon on or after November 1st, 2023. This means once your form is completed, you're good to go. No more worrying about it expiring before your green card is approved. However, keep in mind that USCIS can still request a new exam if they need more information about your health. If your form was signed before November 1st, 2023, don't worry, it is still valid for 2 years. If you're sponsoring someone for a green card, the amount of money you need to make depends on the size of your household. Here's the deal. To qualify as a sponsor, your income must be at least 125% of the federal poverty guidelines for your household size. For example, if you have a household of 4, you'll need to show an income of at least $39,000 as per the poverty guidelines effective beginning March 1st, 2024. But if you're active duty military and sponsoring your spouse or child, you only need to meet 100% of the federal poverty guidelines. If your income doesn't meet the requirement, don't worry. You can use a joint sponsor or show assets to make up for the difference. If you have more questions or need help with your case, feel free to reach out.